Hi, today I'll show you how to enable glove mode on Canon EOS M10. Let's turn on the camera, then press menu, and then let's find touch operation. It's right here. So let's actually check, right? Let's maybe use my watches. As you can see, it doesn't work. And now let's select sensitive and let's check it now. Well, still doesn't work, but let's try maybe. Oh yeah, if I try my closes, it actually works. So thanks for watching, press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.